Hello and welcome to our webinar on common mistakes in English. And today we will talk about the rule no would after if. So we will talk about if sentences. You may ask, how do we make if sentences? If we imagine a situation and would like to express it in English, we use a special structure that has if. For example, I would go on a holiday if I had some days off. We would appreciate it if you sent us the report by Friday. I would be grateful if you informed me about the application procedure. So in one part of the sentence we have would, but we never have would after the word if. The rule is no would after if. There are two parts of the sentence, as you can see. The part that you imagine, I would invest in this company. And this is okay to use would in this part, but we do not use would in the conditional part, in the part that starts with if. For example, if it had better profits, if I had more money, if I knew more about the market. Please note that we use the past tense of these verbs, had and knew. Let's see how we use these conditional sentences in practice. What would you do? Would you buy this house? What would you say? I would buy a boat and we would hire more interns. These are the imaginary situations that depend on a certain condition. Then we have the word if, and then we have the second part of the sentence. What would you do if you had a day off? Would you buy this house if it had a garden? What would you say if I offered you a deal? I would buy a boat if I had a place to dock it. We would hire more interns if we had more budget. Also, please note that you can move these parts around. You can start the sentence with the if part. You can say, if you had a day off, what would you do? Or if this house had a garden, would you buy it? Please note that we use if in polite requests in emails as well as in everyday situations. For example, we would be grateful if you sent the application by Friday. I would appreciate it if you reviewed my report. It would be very useful if you attended the meeting. Please note that all the verbs that follow if are in the past tense. And we would like to thank you again for watching our short series of webinars on common mistakes in English. And we welcome you to join us in future series and to subscribe to TaalTV.